All right, welcome to the very final project where we're going to basically take everything that we've learned and kind of, not everything, but most of the things that we've learned and wrap them all up into a single landing page project. And I'm going to show you what the end result looks like in the browser right now. So this is what we're going to learn how to do. I'm going to hit Shift F5. And you're going to see a loading page here. So we just have a simple little loader. I'll show you how to load assets. As you can see, they're being loaded over here. And I also have fast 3G selected, so it's kind of slower. There's also a large video file that needs to be compressed. So typically on a phone, it would even load faster than that. And here is the hero section. And let me close this out. And as you can see, we have a ring. So this is for a fictional business that sells jewelry, like rings or something like that. As you can see, we have a video right here that's looping. We have a blue overlay on top of it. We also have this little repeating section right here where it switches between three different words: rings redefined, relationships redefined, and romance redefined, something like that. And then this happens. We'll scroll down. All right, so you can kind of see right here where we have this. Oh, I need to push that little ring element out of the way further so we don't see this. It needs to be adjusted. We'll do that when we do our version. So we have a little bit of a parallax happening here with this section right here. And then we have same thing with this little precision type right here. Then we have a horizontal scroller. And if you recall, we learned how to do this. Kind of have like this little kind of progress bar at the bottom, and you can see how the letters are going, being animated with split type. And this is a scrub-based animation. And then we're going to come down and look at that. Very interesting. So we're bringing back that little ring 3JS object, but we're turning on wireframes. I'll show you how to do that as well. And we'll scroll back up, and you'll see how all the animations just basically reverse themselves. And there you go. Now you also notice that this is responsive as well. So we come down, we scroll. Notice I decided not to have the horizontal scroller on mobile. And if we wanted to, and I'm going to leave this up to you, you'll see how to do it, or where you'll be able to do it. If you simply use Match Media, if we wanted this stuff to animate in as we scroll down, we could do that as well. And here we go. So there's the final part. So that's the final project. This is what we're going to be dedicating the rest of our time to doing, just so you can kind of figure out how to get a lot of this stuff working in conjunction with each other. So in the next lesson, we're going to begin getting set up.